So I'm Brad Pepper. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Topre North America. I've worked for Topre for about 20 years now. And I've spent my entire adult career in automotive manufacturing, specialized in metal stamping. I was very fortunate to get chosen to help Topre build this operation up. Somewhere in the early 2014, 2015 timeframe, Honda decided they wanted to transfer the MDX back up to Ohio. We started going to the east side of Ohio. And then, we would go to the northeast, and then we started over. And after about 6 or 8 months, we decided just to pay a cold call to Springfield. We originally were planning to start about a 30,000 square foot facility in Springfield. We had an opportunity to take a big workload for the RAV4, and that allowed us to, instead of building a 30,000 square foot assembly plant, we built a full-blown stamping and assembly plant with tool and die, and we were able to consolidate our design team from Toledo, Ohio back down to Springfield. Springfield was very accommodating to help us meet that growth. But honestly, once we heard about the old International Harvester and the types of stories that we would hear around town. Some of the folklore I've heard, I think this site goes back to the 1860s, so there's a lot of history here. And then to hear also, it's probably one of the oldest and longest running manufacturing sites in the United States. It's got a lot of, meaning there for us too, that we're able to carry this on. And I still hear today employees come in and say, I always wanted to work at that site. I still hear, hey, my grandfather worked on that site, or there was 3 generations of our family that worked on that site, and we're glad to see that it's back up in operation again. We are roughly now about 650,000 square feet. We built a full-blown stamping and assembly plant. Today, with our 4th expansion, we are just at 600 today, and probably by the end of 2027, we should be around the 800 mark. I've always tried to make sure that our company is not built on buildings or machines. We need to understand people run this organization. I got a couple simple rules, and the first rule is we always try to take care of our people. That's the main backbone for our company. And number 2, we need to take care of our customer. And what that means is we need to listen to what their needs are. I would like to think, especially not only the chamber with Horton and Mike, but Sonny Dingra, Brian Roberts, Darren Cotter, and a whole host of guys that were always here, and they understood our company. They took time out of their busy schedule to understand what Topre is about and what our needs were. And so I really appreciate all that they've done and the acceptance and the support that we have in the local community.